Good afternoon, dear Campo. I'm a student from Columbia University. I began to get involved in believing Buddhism since I was 7 years old. And I've been haunted by a question that through meditation or study of Buddhism, how can we know that exactly how much power we could have to help others so that we will not get frustrated when we help other people or we get depressed when we can't reach our goal? Thanks.
Chula home, chula nipa tela teni jana pankari takare ni kangati jumping shawa drupti kamla teni kangata chik drumma tala teni tiwa kichik chazondo central do dungando tende kangando tende mejin tende jana kanda chini jumping both drupta
this ta jumping samba hajang ja chos yotite tene jampam tribi kurum ku chot rangla kala kansam ga kangar dana tene chi ta katsak kawle mons gam chakand gna re tana ina te tak so tamchit chi ta khwa dare tingarchin da tan yoyon mare khorna chongba z gna na chong chimbo z dara ko ne na ta ti che te chi katsak kawle nyongshi z dari jak gona ya na dari khute chi semchar dana timo yokon mare Tendi zu rang ngô yang na chi jampang gop samba te yara phurd shimba da chat thumbos gar lepti da kar cheware garte ti samba da tenja zar lebi yoti tene chi shawa kang dang kam jam nara kherna chi mye kha da kham chi chi timo jam krndep na da timo yone na da kang la yang na tari gonzem thuk mare nzem na mare garte tari jampang gop samba da ya chewoz meti kang chong chong z kang na chi tari te rang nyok jab zong da na da shawa jab thuk yo mare.
Yes, the thought to be of benefit to others needs to be cultivated in a vast way. And when this becomes something that is accomplished, it means that one is able to tirelessly engage in that kind of activity. It's not an effort, it's a joy. And so that is not going to be obstructed by anything. It will be, in a way, from an ordinary point of view, if someone wants their business to be successful, they'll just go to any effort it takes, day and night, to work hard to accomplish that goal. They're not going to get tired, right? And so all the more so, because the thought to benefit others is so much more sublime than any ordinary selfish pursuit, then whatever it takes, one is not going to find any difficulty. One is going to be able to just work in order to benefit others, and the rewards will be there.
Thanks.